In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number on Wise account. Before we begin, make sure you have the Wise app installed and that you can receive texts or calls on the new number you plan to use. Having the app updated and a stable internet connection will make this process smooth. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device and sign in if prompted. From the home screen, look to the top left corner and tap the profile icon. This may look like your initial or a small person symbol. That takes you to your account settings. Next, scroll down the page until you see Personal Details and tap it. This section contains your key account information, including your contact methods used for security and notifications. Inside Personal Details, choose Phone Number. You'll see your currently linked number displayed here, which is what Wise uses for verification codes and important alerts. Tap into the phone number field and carefully enter your new number. Double-check the country code and every digit to avoid typos. It's a good idea to confirm which SIM or line you want to use if your phone supports multiple numbers, and ensure that line can receive SMS right now. When you're ready, tap Send Code. Wise will send a verification code to the new number you just entered. Keep the app open and watch for the text message to arrive. When it does, enter the code exactly as shown to confirm the change. Codes are time limited, so if it expires or doesn't arrive, verify your signal and data connection, and make sure you haven't blocked unknown senders. You can request a new code from within the app if needed. In some cases, Wise may ask for an extra security check if you no longer have access to your previous number. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once the code is accepted, your new phone number is saved to your Wise account. From now on, security notifications and login codes will go to this updated number. If you use Wise on multiple devices, you don't need to redo the change elsewhere. It's tied to your account. That's it. You've successfully updated your phone number in the Wise app. If anything looks different on your screen, it may be due to app updates, but the process remains the same. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your contact details current to protect your account.